By default you need to type in your password before you can use a Mac, but you can set the system up to skip the password if you want. When your Mac starts up, it lands on the sign-in screen, where you need to select the user account you want to use and type in the password. To disable this, go to System Preferences. To the Users and Groups category. Click the lock icon, then type in your password to unlock these settings. Select Login Options. In the Automatic Login menu, choose the user account that you want to be signed into automatically when you start up your Mac. Confirm by typing in the password for that account. Now be careful, with this option enabled, anybody can use your computer without typing in your password. You should only use this on public or shared workstations that do not have any private files, email messages, or any other personal information. Now the next time you restart or turn on your computer, it will start up to the desktop without asking for your password.